Hello and welcome to another Millgate School tutorial, this time on how to make a Twitter account. So, first things first, I'm going to open up Google Chrome, my web browser of choice, and I'm going to search for Twitter. Generally any of these links would work, but I'm going to go for this one here. And then I'm going to go up to the top right where it says sign up. I'm going to do use email instead. And then I'm going to come up with a name. I'm going to do this for my school account, so we will go for Millgate Computing. And I will put in my school email. There we go. And press next. I'm going to ignore that because I don't want to personalize it. So, Millgate Computing, Z Copley KLMS. Boom. I'm now going to press sign up. They will then send me a code to my emails, which hopefully will come through any second for the sake of this video. There it is. Okay. Ooh, let me learn how to click and drag. There we go. So on my emails, there you go, you've seen it pop up in the bottom right there. I have simply just got given a verification code, which I then copy and paste into that box. And I press next. I need to set a password. Ooh, let's go for obviously the most secure of all passwords. There we go. I'm not going to reveal that password. Or save it, however. Have a safe selfie. I'm not going to do that bit yet because my selfies are atrocious. A bio. Schools computing account. Exclamation mark. There we go. What am I interested in? Ooh, science and technology. There we go. Don't want to worry about any of that. Just skip through. Not going to do notifications. That is your choice though. You can look through those options and choose what you want to do when you get there. So, once you are at this bit, what you can do next is go to the search Twitter option. And in there, if we search for Millgate School, we will find all the tweets to do with our school. If you want to get every single one, if you click on the hyperlink that says Millgate School, it'll take you to our Twitter page. Now on here is everything the school is doing during our closure and even when the school is open. But everything from the daily brief, which will take you to the website, shows what we're doing each day, up to videos of our lads being absolutely awesome, up to staff competitions, for the student competitions, cooking videos, Kung Fu Phonics. If the school's doing it, chances are it is on this page. See everything from wonderfully cheesy videos you can see there from certain staff. Lovely videos of our boys working. It's wonderful. Generally, things will go onto the Twitter page before anywhere else. So if you want to keep up to date with what's going on at the school and how we're doing, this is the place to be. Like with the school website, if you want to remember where this is, now you have your shiny new Twitter account. If you press the star up in the top right and press done, you will now have bookmarked this page. Now, that's me signing off.